how to create a team on Royal Match. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create a team on Royal Match. And how do you do so? The first step is to log in into your Royal Match account or launch the Royal Match application. Then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some tabs such as some icons, such as you can see the areas icon, you can see the leaderboard, the home icon, which stands for playing your game, and then you can see the teams icon. So once you can see this, the next step for you to do is to click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to the teams page. Now for me, you can see the right up which says reach level 21 to join teams. Now this means that for you to be able to create or join teams on Royal Match, you would have to get to level 21. So once you got to level 21 and you click on teams, you will be taken to the teams page. On this page, you'd see three tabs, all right? Join, search, and create. Join, search, create. So click on create, and then you can now go ahead to craft your team. You can pick an emblem that screams your prowess. You can choose a team name, ensure the type that stands out. Then describe your team, decide whether your team is an exclusive club and all of that. Set the level, just go ahead, fill in all of the details that will be asked of you, and then click on create, and then just like that your team would be created. But you must note that creating a team also will cost you money. All right, it cost you about 100 coins or more. So just go ahead, follow through the processes, and you are good to go. It is very simple. Okay, so yeah, you have it. This is how you can create a team on Royal Match. Thank you for watching and have a good day.